First of all, good morning to the media here. Thank you so much for being here today. And thank you, Shamira. It was so nice meeting you in Hyderabad and to see you again here. Thank you so much. You're doing a wonderful job. And where do I start with? Bangalore, now it has become a ritual that we always, in my promotions, end of the tour happens in Bangalore every single time. Just before the release, just 1 day or 2 days before the release is where I'll reach Bangalore. So every time, by the time I reach Bangalore, the butterflies are at its peak. And so this vibe, this ambience is something I've got used to, and I will never ever miss coming to Bangalore before the release. This is a promise. From here onward, it's just not this film, but every film. And I have friends here. Every time I come, Shivana treats me with so much love, and Sudipana is extremely close to me. He's like family. So it also feels like, I belong to here also in so many ways. And every single time, since since the time of Iga, and then especially last 5-6 films, every film has done extremely well in Bangalore. And so many times I keep wondering why so much love. Okay, and then I think it's just the films and the connection we share is something else. And I see that kind of love from the time I get down in the airport itself in Bangalore. Thank you so much for making me feel like one of your own. And this time it's even more special because we have Srinidhi, and Srinidhi is from here. But only one disappointment this time is that I thought, okay, our actress is from here, and I thought we will be invited home, some nice Kannada, local lunch, nice food and all that. I thought she'll host us and all. She didn't invite us home, so that is the only disappointment. Otherwise, the trip is going great, and it's okay. I understand. It's okay, no problem. Next time maybe. Okay, 3 to 4 you can call.
I will call you before that. Don't worry.
Thank you. So, yeah, jokes apart, Srinidhi actually dubbed for herself in Kannada, and in fact because we were running out of time and she was in USA and all that, she dubbed for Telugu. It took a little long. Obviously, it's a different language and all that, and with some track voice, they already got her dubbed the Kannada version and all that. When she said, Kannada cannot be anybody else's voice, it has to be my voice. She came back a little early, a couple of days early, and she dubbed for, Kannada herself. And I think that's such that kind of love for your own language is very beautiful to witness. Thank you so much, Srinidhi.
Thank you.
And we just have 1 day in between watching Hit 3 on big screens, and I am extremely confident about the film. I have seen the film. I think you will have a great experience watching this film. Especially go to a packed theater, and I think there are so many moments in the film where the crowd will erupt, and I think it's very rarely a thriller and this kind of adrenaline matches in the films, and that too when it happens naturally or organically, that I think is the best combination, and Hit 3 turned out to be exactly that. And once again, thank you so much to the media. I'm just waiting, looking forward to see your reaction, see your reviews, see how you will own Hit 3, and I cannot wait. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nani sir. Yes, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಕ್ಕೂ ಮುನ್ನ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರೇ, ನಿಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
Sorry, one second. I especially want to thank sir for doing this, releasing the film here, and I'm happy we started off with Court, and the Court really brought us a lot of success and a lot of respect and a lot of love also. So our collab started with that film. I think that is a sign in itself. I think now we'll go to the next level with Hit 3. Thank you, sir. Thank you.